How to create consumable invoice in Businet. Users can create a consumable invoice for selected suppliers against the non-stockable items using source type, direct, or against gate entry. In case source type is gate entry, users need to select the required supplier and enter bill details. After selection of source document number, the items will be auto-populated in item details section where users can modify the quantity, price, tax, and also can apply other charges if applicable. Further, users can also allocate cost centers against respective GL account, and once approved, the financial vouchers will be auto-posted in the financial accounting module. Users can also generate PDF print of the respective consumable invoice. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.